Nikhil, Shambhavi, understood beta? Pehir,
Yes, sir.
Anaga, yes, yes, yes. Just gesture, okay? No need to draw very nice drawing. I not want any nice shape drawing. Just gestures. Fantastic, ma'am. Ma'am, go ahead the next drawing. This is just make a circle. This is ma'am. Uh, this is called the line of action. So always in body, this body line of action like this. This body line of action like this. This body line of action straight like this. Yeah. Fine. Super. Super.
Done, sir.
Done. So see here, I just make its neck little bit of. After the neck, this is torso. Torso. This is a pelvis. See, make sure. See this pelvis. So this is direction is like this. The direction of shoulder like this. Okay. So this is your shoulder bone. This is your hip bone, and here what do you do? The legs of this leg is coming like this. See, this is your first leg. First make the just mannequin. This is called the mannequin gesture. Okay, and the second leg like this. So it is very important to understand. Okay, step by step. I show the step by step. Just body and leg I draw. After that I can add the hand. Here. Perfect. Here. Just few later you can make it. For the pelvis. Perfect. So this is a boy. So for the boy gesture, the pelvis, torso is bigger, pelvis is smaller. And then for the female, the pelvis is bigger, torso is smaller. So this is the only changes of male and female. We have maintained that it. Yeah. And just wear like this, little like this. Okay. More. Little more. Okay, this line is coming like this, and then yeah. Yeah. It's coming little closer, like this, and it is right. Just understanding the gesture, how our character. Okay. Fine. Now here, from here, I make the hand like 1, 2, 1, 2. Just position. This is the hand position. Another hand which is not visible because it is another side is there. Okay. First make this one.
Done, sir.
Done. So now we are making just the double line. See, just I make the double line. Double line means that I adjust the leg, adjust the double line, make it this hand, another hand is not visible, that much. We just make that much, okay? What is the, how character standing.